Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 PC is displaying a RunDLL32.exe application error popping up on your screen, especially during startup or shutdown, it usually means a core system file is corrupted or a deleted application left behind a broken background trigger. I will show you exactly how to clean these up and fix the error right now. Let's get started. First, the most common cause for this error is a genuinely damaged or missing RunDLL32 file within your internal Windows system folders. Open your Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scan now and press Enter to allow Windows to scan for and automatically replace any corrupted operating system files. Once that completes, type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health and press Enter to completely repair your core Windows image. Next, if the error pops up immediately every time you log in, a previously uninstalled application or removed malware might still be trying to launch a dead process. Press the keyboard shortcut Control, Shift, and Escape simultaneously to launch your Windows Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup Apps tab, which looks like a small speedometer icon on the left-hand sidebar. Carefully look through the list for any suspicious, unnamed, or blank entries, right-click them, and select Disable to prevent them from launching. Finally, malicious software frequently attempts to hijack or disguise itself as the legitimate RunDLL32 process, which completely breaks the file and triggers these constant errors. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Privacy and Security on the left sidebar, and click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, and click the blue link labeled Scan Options. Select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan at the bottom of the list, and click Scan Now to restart your PC and securely purge any deeply hidden malware. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.